what I use for rust remover. It's called White Ox. Probably the best stuff they have out there. It does miracles, honestly. It comes in a powdered form. You just add water and mix it up a little bit. You follow the directions on the back, and you're set. We're applying the rust remover, the White Ox, onto the rust stains. We're gonna let it sit, and then we're gonna rinse it off. White Ox is truly a great product. It's a special blend of acid that I use primarily for removing rust stains from driveways. It's mostly oxalic acid, which attacks rust stains aggressively. I buy White Ox from my local hardware store, but you can find it on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can already starting to see it come up.
Those rust spots are turning green.
Don't do that before they come out.
Looking hot and spicy.
A little bit more. Working into the concrete. Alright, see all this is mixing out a little bit.
Now we pressure washing this or is rinsing it?
We're gonna rinse it off.
Yeah, those lines came out right there.
Yep. Gonna work its way down.
Ooh, look at that, it's doing real good. Hey Greg. Hey Greg. Hey Greg. Doing God's work. You know that? You know that? Look at this man sitting down on the job.
You have my cell phone?
Bad man, bad man. See this? See this person? I am working. I'm a good employee. Where is his cellular device? Alright guys, you wanna know his password? I'll tell you his password. What? Oh, it's not even locked. You don't have a password on your phone?
I should have a password on my phone.
I just pressed the button and unlocked. Action shot.
Alright, well,
You don't like these action shots?
no.
That's what Gregory showers in because he gets real dirty.
go take my eyeballs off.
You tried washing away your sins with it.
When you mix white ox, make sure you take the proper precautions to protect yourself, such as safety glasses. Don't use your hands to mix it like Jody. And of course, keep it out of the reach of small children.
Here, get that chunk. Looks like salt. Like clumps of salt.
Oh, unfortunately, it's not so. Everyone be doing a good job.
How do you know?
How do I know the salt doesn't take rough stuff?
Have you tried?
Yes.
Have you really? Don't lie to me. Alrighty, I have socks at your house. Not even at your house, in my car. I'm gonna get trench foot. I'm gonna try taking my sock off, my skin's gonna come off with it. Oh my goodness, how awful would that be? Imagine that. One day you come home, take your socks off, and your skin comes off.
I'm gonna not imagine that.
Why not? His method of just dumping it. What will be my weapon of choice today? Almost fell. Almost did. You decide. Dun, dun, dun. I think I lied to you. Yeah, I think I lied to you, Greg. There's more wire brushes. You want to, like, double fist them? Yeah. Leap of faith. Go, 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 go!
When pressure washing, make sure to keep your nozzle at a safe distance as to not damage the cement. Never use the pressure washer to rinse anything delicate like your cars or your legs.
Getting me wet. Turn it off. Stop. Now what? What?
Alright, so the rest of the stains came out okay, but we're gonna do another, I'm gonna come back and do another rinse on them. Make sure everything comes out really nice. So I'm gonna get Joey set up. Pressure washing at another job. Joey, you ready to pressure wash?
Oh, yes. It's hot, man.
He's complaining because I don't have the car on.
Yeah, because it's hot as
Too much, Joey. Too much, Joey.